Building a goat structure or goat housing that fits the international standards, that will make sure it's highly suitable as a habitat for the small stock animals. It's nie pap and vlees nie. It's not Rice Krispies cornflakes that you just put in with milk. It's a lot of work and effort and determination, a lot of calculation, planning, designing, restructuring, and all of those things. So we built this structure, as you can see, from the ground up. For all the guys that have been asking, how do you build your structures? How do you build your structures? We hope that this video will answer